when you have a governor who supports local brands and is always willing, to take that risk of investing in local brands, it's always beautiful to really admire. Now, Governor Alex Otti and the CEO of Innoson Chukuma, let's run their new products. Like, just see this guy just jump, enter. I say, Governor, he carry confidence, enter. Just drive car. Like, that guy is, I don't know what to say, but Governor Alex Otti has the heart of gold, and he's someone who has the grassroots of Abians, and he's always proving it every single day. Like this one now, you could see from the video that is playing on your screen now that Innoson actually took this cars to him, knowing fully well that this is someone who always support the brand, always. During the election, a lot of people say, why, he had already had local plans of, buying cars. And as at this year, he's not in power up to a year. He has actually patronized Innoson more than even the Anambra state government have not patronized Innoson the way Governor Alex Otti has done in this short period of time. Now, these are new Innoson fleet of cars. This particular one you're seeing now, he took it to Governor Alex Otti for test running, and you could see them test running the cars, driving it around to know how durable and how powerful they are. I'm just going to share you the video here. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment below.
Sing it to him. Okaka, with your hands lifted up. Okaka, yes. Where would I be without you? Where would I be without you? Where would I be without you? Only Sakarua, there's no me without you. Hey, where would I be without you? My lover, where would I be without you? Where would I be without you? There's no me. With your hands lifted up to him. Jesus, let him hear your voice. I come in